Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on laws of exponents. No? So kung pinapanood nyo itong series na to, kung sinusundan nyo, ito na yung mga napag-aralan natin. No? So hindi ko na isa-isahin yan, just watch the videos, the previous videos. No? Naka-number naman tayo. May mga code naman yung mga videos natin. Kaya alam nyo kung paano yung pagkakasunod-sunod mo. So in this video, ang gusto kong i-discuss is yung a b raised to n. No? So pag meron tayong dalawang variables or more, no? Ito kasi puro isa lang, di ba? So, dito, paano kung meron dalawang variable or more na i-raise natin to an exponent, no? So, siguro bago natin ito sagutin, na magbigay tayo ng specific example para makita natin kung meron bang pattern, no? For example, 5z cubed raised to the fourth power. No? So, ano ibig sabihin ng 5z cubed raised to the fourth power? No? Ibig sabihin, 4 na beses, no? Na mag-appear yung 5z cubed sa isang fact, sa multiplication, no? 4 na beses siya. So this is equal to 5z cubed times 5z cubed times 5z cubed times 5z cubed. Tama? So, 4 na beses na. So, yung 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, we can pwede natin siyang i-represent as 5 to the 4th. Tapos yung z cubed times c cubed times c cubed times c cubed by law of exponent number 1. By the way, wala naman yung number 1. No? I mean, wala naman siyang wala namang number yung mga laws of exponent. Siguro yung ninumberan ko lang sa pagkakasunod-sunod ng discussion natin. So, pag same base, according to this law, ay we add the exponent. So, magiging z raised to the 12. No? And another example is, pag nagkaroon tayo ng negative, for example, negative 2a cubed. Paano yun? Magiging negative 2a times negative 2a times negative 2a, which is equal to negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, and then tatlong a rin. Which means we have negative 2 cubed, a cubed. So, napapansin nyo, yung 5 to the 5z cubed to the 4th, naging 5 to the 4th z, 12, no? C to the 12th. So, anong nangyayari sa exponent nila? Yung 4 at saka yung 1 dito sa 5, naging 4. Yung 4 at saka 3 dito, naging 12. Kasi ito rin, yung 1 dito sa negative 2, naging 3. And then yung 1 dito, naging 3. So, ano nangyayari dito sa exponent? Minumultiply natin yung exponent, diba? Sa 3 tsaka 4, naging 12. 1 tsaka 4, naging 4. So, meaning, we multiply also the exponents here. So, meaning, we have a raised to n, b raised to n. So, yan yung susunod na law dito, no? So, but before we end, siguro we'll have a few examples. Gamit yung law na yan. So, example 1, we have negative 3y raised to the 4th power is equal to, so negative 3 to the 4th, y to the 4th. Well, kung gusto nyo simplify, pwede naman. Maging 81 to, diba? Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Times negative 3 is negative 27. Times negative 3 is 81. Y to the 4th. Number 2, we have negative 4w squared raised to 3rd power. So, magiging negative 4 to the 3rd power times w squared to the 3rd power. So, magiging negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Times negative 4 is negative 64. And w to the 2 cubed is 6, diba? 2 times 3 is 6. Number 3, we have 3a squared b cubed squared. So magiging 3 squared, i-distribute lang natin, and then we have b squared, multiply yung exponent, squared, and then b cubed, it's not b squared but a squared. A squared, and then we square, and then we have b cubed squared, b cubed squared, which is equal to, what is 3 squared? That's 9, diba? 3 times 3. And then this is a to the 4th by this law, multiply, and then this is also b to the 6th. Okay, so dinidistribute lang natin yung exponents. Minimultiply natin siya actually pag more than one variable. So I think that's it. Siguro one more example siguro. Number 4, what is 3x squared y to the 4th squared over 2y cubed. So paano yan? So 3 squared x squared so 3 squared, and then x squared squared, and then y to the 4th squared. Tapos ito magiging 2 cubed y cubed. So magiging 9 x to the 4th y to the 8th over 8y cubed. Pwede natin simplify yung y to the 8 saka y cubed. Magiging 9x y to the 8th minus 3. No? This is by law number 2, no? Over 8, which is equal to 9x y to the 5th over 8. Sana sundan nyo, no? Medyo hinalo-halo na natin yung rows of exponents, no? Bali dito gumamit tayo ng ano yung ginamit nating law? Laws. No? So we have this law for cubing and for squaring the expressions. And then pag na-distribute na natin, pwede na natin gamitin itong law na to. Pag meron tayong isang variable and then we have an exponent and then we raise it to another exponent, we can use this law. We multiply the exponents. Kaya siya naging x to the 4th, y to the 8th. No? And then pagdating dito, gumamit naman tayo nito, ng pangalawa. No? Pag meron kang division and same base, you subtract the exponent. So, naging 8 minus 3. Tinanggalan natin yung y cube dito, naging minus 3 na siya dito. So, kaya yung sagot natin ay 9xy to the 5th over 8. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan ulit, no? Ngayong dito sa video na to. Kung gusto nyong maghanap ng mga topics, type nyo lang yung Sipnayan, and then the topic Sipnayan. For example, Sipnayan, laws of exponent. So, punta lang kayo youtube.com, then you type Sipnayan, and then the topic. Marami na tayong videos, I think. Most likely may makahanap kayo dyan. Lalo na yung mga series natin of tutorials. Kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe, no, and I encourage you to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/9ph. And syempre, bisitahin nyo natin yung website, facebook.com o Facebook page, facebook.com/9ph. Nagbibigay ako usually ng mga exercises dyan. So, kung gusto nyo masanay pa, pwede kayong mag-follow. Maraming salamat. See you next tutorial.